Hello guys, welcome to our next tutorial on ecwid. So guys, today we are going to learn about how you can add products. So directly you can, in the dashboard, go to the catalog under the store management menu, right? So under the catalog menu you can see products, so click on the products. So here you can see the demo products, right? So what I recommend is, guys, so you can click this, right, and bulk edit, right? So mass update, and click disable or enable and click disable, right? Selected. So already these are disabled. So why we recommend this is, guys, so in future you can use this, right? So if not, if you think this is like messing up, right, click this and give delete, so all the products will be deleted. So now it is very easy for you. So guys, now I'll be explaining you how to get products, right? So how to download those images. So many people, they are trying to they design their products, right? So it's not difficult, right? So anyhow, for the demo purpose, I'll be explaining you on how to download images, videos from AliExpress, right? So it's super easy, right? Super easy, and also it's very easy to add the images, right? So you can simply go to, right, so here I'll be going to AliExpress, right? So guys, here you can see AliExpress, right? So simply, before that, I'll be explaining you one thing, right? It's a trick, and in your browser type okay, Ali save extension, right? You can see here, right? So what does this extension does is, guys, you can simply, right, if you download this to your Chrome or your browser, you can simply download the images and all the other stuff directly from AliExpress without downloading one by one, right? So this is here. Right now I'm using Opera, so you can click here to Opera and you can add that, right? So it's super easy. So now we'll be going to the AliExpress. So I'm going to sell this mouse, right? For example, for the demo purpose, I am telling you guys. So what's happening here? Sorry, I'll be going to the next browser, right? So here I'll be typing AliExpress, right? Here is AliExpress. It's really simple, guys, so no need to take this as a difficult thing because it's super easy, right? So we'll take this one, okay, right? So guys, now here you can see you can download the main images, variant images, and description images and video. So for now I will be downloading only the main images, right? So if you click that, you can see in the bottom it will be directly downloaded, right? So here you can see, right? So now what I am going to do is I am going to list this item and the information in my website, okay, right? So go to your ecwid store, right? It's getting stuck, guys, please wait. Okay, right? So click add new product, right? So if you click this button, you can see it's loading, right? So now click upload images, right? So upload images, no, right? You can simply click up this, and you can go to your folder, right? Downloads. I'm going to downloads, which I downloaded now, right? Analyze save plus, and here main images, and you can see, right? You can select all these and click open, right? So the images will be simply uploaded, right? Okay, right. Now we are going to name this as aerodynamic wired gaming mouse, right? So you can name it, right, more than that, but for this purpose I'm going to name like this, ergonomic wired gaming mouse. So guys, SKU is something now, like think you sold two quantities or one quantity, like it will be generated. Now it means you can simply identify the products differently, right? So for this, for I will be typing 0001, right? So we'll see if we have the weight and all those stuffs. Yeah, here you can see the weight is not there, on the size is there, so no need size. So if you have the weight or something mentioning, that is super, because then only people will be getting more information about your product, right? So guys, here make sure this is tick is enabled, because now this is a physical product. Now if you are selling a like service or a digital product, make sure to untick this, right? So now we have ticked this and we have kept that. Okay, and manage pricing options. In this guys, compare to price, bulk discount pricing, enable to pay what you want pricing. So all these stuffs will be enabled if you upgrade, like just $15. If you are willing to upgrade, you can simply update that, right? So the next one is a description. The main thing is description. Many people, they just type some spammy words and they go away. So that is not, guys, because this is the main place where you can get sales. So for this demo purpose, I'll be getting all this, right? You can get all this, right? You can copy all this, drag your mouse until the end, right? Don't take this, right, until here, and right click and copy image, right? Go to your this one and right click and paste it, right? So now guys, you can see, sorry, it is not selected, right? Again I will be going here, first will be going, right, it's pasted. So guys, every time you don't do like this, but if you have already an inbuilt customers, then it's okay, right? So they can just on listing and they will be directly ordering from your website, right? So no need to think about that. So copy and paste it here, right? So I delete this, right? Now you can see everything is enabled. So make sure after everything is done, you have to decide the price. So like I did with the like the version of drop shipping, right? So it cost about, I think if I select this, $9.60, right? So I can keep about $4 profit, right? So you have to see the shipping and all. For now I'm not gonna explain that, right? I'll be explaining that you that separately in the video.